Hey cuties! So today I'm going to do a more vlog style of this video, and I'm getting my milia removed today. It's this little dot that you see right here that's been in most of my videos, pictures. You can see it right there. You can see that this is like a little dot right there. Excuse the bags and dark circles under my eyes right now. Yes, I'm freaking tired. Help. Okay, freeze. What's a milia, you ask? Wait, let me just put on my smart glasses here. Professor Pink wants to let you know what a milia is. A milli. No, it's not a Lil Wayne rap song. Me reading off Google. Milia are tiny white bumps on a baby's nose, chin, or cheeks. Milias are common in newborns but can occur at any age. Milia can occur when keratin becomes trapped beneath the surface of the skin. Keratin is a strong protein that's typically found in skin tissues, hair, and nail cells. They can occur in people of all ethnicities or ages. Why do they happen? They can happen for lots of different reasons. Long-term sun damage, long-term use of steroid creams, skin resurfacing problems, blistering injuries, other skin conditions, aging, lots of buildup of makeup products or skincare products. They can also develop if the skin loses its natural ability to exfoliate. They're not contagious, so it's just a buildup of skin. It's just there. It's like a skin tag almost, but it's not contagious. So it's not something that's like a wart or something like that where it can transfer from people to people. It's just skin that's annoying. So then I went ahead and got it removed. So when I'm just like talking and stuff like that, especially not wearing makeup, it's there. And if I do wear makeup, I can't cover it up. It's there. Apparently it's only going to be like $50 to get rid of. So that's what I was quoted, and it's going to take 15 minutes for the actual procedure and then 15 minutes for like prep for numbing and stuff. When I hear numbing, I'm like, it's gonna hurt. But I am not excited for this because I don't know the pain. I've literally never had anyone deal with this before, so I can't like ask people. I've tried to research, but there's not a lot of research out there. That's why I'm doing a video. Not research, I mean like there's not a lot of like people doing it or like saying the recovery time or like documenting their process. So if you guys have a milia as well, or want one removed, or just curious about this video, then maybe this is the video for you. So just stay tuned. Oh my god, I didn't get the actual procedure because it literally took 20 seconds. And I thought it was gonna take a little longer than that. All I smell right now is burnt flesh. Just burnt flesh. Smell.
It's hard to smell it on the fake tan. I smell it a little bit. Ooh, it smells burnt.
This is what it looks like. It's like burnt. What you guys didn't see, there was music playing so I couldn't really show it, but all she did was come in and put some numbing cream on there, and the numbing cream sat on there for 15 minutes, and that was like the main thing. And I filled out a bunch of paperwork for COVID release, lots of stuff. Like, so I filled out lots of sheets of paperwork. That was like the longest thing it took. And then putting on the numbing cream took 15 minutes to set. Oh, look at it. My skin's burnt.
You didn't get upselled on lip injections?
No. After it was numb, she came in and it was like a little pen type thing, and at the end she just goes like this and it gets like burning red hot. I'm back again. She used a cautery tool and it looks something like this. This is pretty much the exact one she used, I'm pretty sure, and it just looked like this. It looked very scary. It got really red and high temperature, and it looked like it was gonna burn my whole life away. Burn my whole life away. Sounds like the newest pop song to hit the charts. So that's what it is, and that's what it looks like. Okay, carry on. And then she just goes, and you can like hear it go, like it's like burning my skin, and you can just smell like face barbecue happening. And she said I might need one other procedure, but this is gonna scab and fall off, and then once it does that, then we'll see if I need another one. But she's like, it'll be like flush with the skin. So I'm very excited about that. No more milia. So mine's probably from makeup, I would assume, but it just needs to get gone. But I kind of like that it looks like a mole right now, or like a beauty mark. So I'm like, and it doesn't hurt right now at all. And it didn't hurt during the procedure. Like, she like burned it off. It literally probably took like 20 seconds in total for her to use that thing. And I didn't feel anything at all, not even like a tap, until maybe about like the last 3 seconds. And then I felt like just a little bit of hotness. Like I was like kind of standing too close to a fire almost, but it didn't hurt at all. And it doesn't hurt now, but I'll update you guys in a bit. I want to show you guys before. This is what my milia looked like. I talked to her about it, and my general practitioner, that is, and she recommended me therapy. And when I found out how much like just one session was, hey everybody, I just had a bath. Lashes are wet, I'm gonna dry them. Is the lesser of that. It's a Mark II and it's way better quality. It never goes out of focus. I shouldn't say never, but like rarely goes out of focusing. I'm craving McDonald's. I want a McDonald's coffee this morning. We should get one, and then he'll go to his phone. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to today's last upload of March. Our city had a huge storm yesterday, and I do not want to go out, but I do have an appointment today to check my breast implants, so I like have to go out. But we're just going out for that, then coming right back home. This is what I just walked into the bedroom to. Hey, I just had a nap. I just want to tell you guys a mini little story time. For the looks, but girl, I'm just taking my OF pick, and then I am out of here with this hair. So I'll come back with you guys when I do remove it, because it's making me like physically sick now, because it's so painful. So putting my hair like up here is not as puffy, and I feel like you notice it right here. It's like so supple. Is that the right word? But even that, it looks like there's like something in my eye. Like it was just in the way. It was annoying. If like my face got itchy, let's say, and I would itch it up, like it would, you know, like as I'm itching it, it would like hook on, because it's like a bump and it's raised, and it just was so annoying. And in the way, it looks bad in pictures. It didn't look cute. It just made me start to not really feel that good about myself, and it just showed up randomly. And I think it is because of a lot of makeup right here, not removing my makeup, using makeup remover wipes, using concealers, using setting powders, using under eye masks, using sheet masks. I just use like a lot of things on my face. It could also be from the sunbed that I go in as well. It could be from a lot of different things. The suntan lotion I use, my SPF, the list goes on. It could be a lot of different things that I use on my skin, or it just could be a buildup of skin. It could just be from aging. You never know what it came from. But the fact is, I didn't want it there anymore. So some rumors started to fly, because around this time, I broke up with my boyfriend, and so rumors started to happen that like he hit me in the face, because all of a sudden I had like a little black eye there and a little mark right there, and I was like, no, like whoa, like that didn't happen. I like got it. I'm so glad I documented this journey, because that was like so ridiculous. People are like, why are you hiding this? Like, I'm not hiding it. I just wanted to do a whole video on it, because I really wanted to be informative, and you guys had told me for about like 6 months now that it is a milia. People in the cosmetic field and industry were like, it's a milia, you can get that removed, just so you know. And for a while I've been wanting to do this, but I just finally went ahead and did it. So I'm gonna show you guys the healing process. I documented the whole healing process up until today, which I think today I can come and show you guys that it is healed and it looks so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my journey of getting it removed right here. Okay, it's been about 6 hours since I showed you guys this, and a little bit of update. I'm getting kind of like a black eye. Do you see? I had like dark circles before this, but I feel like it's like really dark here, which is I think normal, seeing as how I got, you know, zapped in the face. But this is what it looks like here. I'm gonna be putting on makeup, but I'm going to avoid this area. I just have to film some custom pictures for my OnlyFans right now. So not film, take pictures, and I'm gonna do some content. This might look cute in it, I don't know, but it's gonna be there. Okay, this is what it looks like with makeup on. I just did a TikTok actually, and people were like, I thought people really wouldn't notice, but it is kind of noticeable. It's like right on my eye. People are like, what happened? Like, what happened to your eye? So I'm like, really want to get this video out, but I need this to heal. But it looks like it's gonna be flush. I didn't put any makeup surrounding, like you can still see it around there. And I'm gonna take off this makeup now. Okay guys, it has been like 27-ish hours since getting this thing removed. I just woke up, so I might look and sound a little weird. This is what it looks like today from far away, and here's what it looks like closer up. You can see that I am discolored even more, but it seems to be healing good after 24 hours. And now I'm able to put makeup on the spot, but there's no need for me to put on makeup today, so don't need to. Hello everybody, it has been 48 hours, just 48, it's, you know, actually it's been just slightly under 48 hours. Here's what she's looking like today. It looks like it's healing nice. I think I said it yesterday, so I have no other words in my vocabulary. So here's what it's looking like now, and as you can see, it is starting to flake off. I don't want to pick it off, but it's like hanging there. I'm like, I just want to pull it. Okay, so it has been 1 week officially since I got my milia removed. Don't mind the dusty, crusty eyelashes, but this initial scab fell off, but I feel like there's a new scab forming. And this one looks like it's a little infected, but I could be wrong. Just like that's what it seems like to me. So I'm gonna put some polysporin on it because it does look like it's getting a little like that greeny color. Fun. Everybody, it has been 9 days since the milia removal. It does not look like it's infected anymore because I've been putting polysporin on it. Looks like it's scabbing up again. So I just woke up. It has been 2 weeks and 3 days since the milia. I'm gonna put on makeup now because it is quite flush with the skin. This is what it's looking like up close. So it just looks like another scab, but it is quite flush. It looks like the milia completely went away. She thought I would need a couple more times, but it really doesn't look like I do need that. This is what it looks like from further away. I'm so happy. Okay, so the very next day, look at it. It looks like it's developing another scab. This thing is being really weird. Or maybe it's normal. It just looks so different every day to me, but yeah, it's like, it's hard and I'm not gonna pick it. It's so funny. It's just trying to show that it had some lift to it. Anyway, it's gone. I don't know if I should have done that. Hey, it looks way different now. It looks like it's really flush with the skin. I'm gonna put on some makeup now. Sorry, that was so funny. Okay, so it has been officially 7 weeks since the milia, and this is it. This is the last documentation for this, and this is what it looks like. So it's extremely flush, and I can cover it up really well. It kind of just looks like a little spot there, and it doesn't hurt. Here's what it looks like up close. I always have like such dark eye circles, so sorry about that. But yeah, we are looking really good. And she also told me after 6 weeks, if the milia was still there a bit, I could come and get it removed. So I could go get another removal if I wanted to right now, because like I just said, it's been 7 weeks. But we are extremely flush with the skin, and I think it looks great, but I would love to know your guys' thoughts. So today, this is what it looks like. You can see that there's a little bit of an indent there. I don't know if that indent is gonna last forever. This is what the milia looks like today. It looks so good, and it only cost me like $50. It was like $48 to get taken off. I'm so happy, look at it. So here's it up close with makeup on. You know, it could also been, people were saying from lash extensions. I don't know what it's from. All I know that I can get it removed, and if you guys are struggling with them, they are typically around the eyes. If you guys do have them, you can get them removed. They are easily to remove, and it was just like annoying, I feel, because of the whole process of healing and stuff like that. But the results are amazing, and I'm so happy about it. So I hope that answers all your guys' questions to what was wrong with my face, what was on my face. A couple of my TikToks too, people were like, what's going on with your eye? And beforehand, when I had the little bump there, people were asking what that was. I'm just so pleasantly surprised and happy with it. So if you guys are struggling with it, just know that you can get it removed. Please don't let that stop you from being a bad bitch and having a bad bitch day, because you guys are all have amazing hearts and souls, and I love you guys so much and appreciate you guys for watching this. Hopefully this gave you guys some insight. So Professor Pink, oh, bye guys.